Oculus.
I'm the cameraman, okay?
Yeah.
Oh my
I'm
God.
recording right now.
Wait, are you actually recording this?
Yes.
I
I'm gonna
recorded
put it on
last
YouTube.
time. Dude, I didn't post mine last time because it was
Dude,
so
I
laggy.
looked at the into the radius like reviews and stuff. Dude, it looks so good.
It is. It's
Hey,
gonna
how
be.
do you guys feel
Have you
about
played Saints
being
and
used
Sinners?
for clout?
Yeah, I have. It's amazing.
That was my favorite game of all time on the Quest.
It's gonna be like that, but you actually get to reload your own mags.
Yeah, I'm not looking at any of the previews. I want to do it. I want to go in like I did with Saints and Sinners.
Oh my God!
I went in. It was the third ever game I got right after Beat Saber and Gorilla Tag.
Are you guys willing to play around
does,
2,000
too.
more of these?
No.
So we
This
can
is already
make
1,000.
another one right beside it, and then a big long stick.
We're
If
already
I'm not
placing
mistaken.
1,000. There's no reason to place more.
What do you mean?
You know what? Just over
Unless.
here. Just over here, I'm just gonna make a creation really quickly.
Hopefully, the one dynamite we brought will cover it.
It might. Hold on, I'll do a test really quickly.
No.
There we go. I just
Bastard, man.
put one off to the side.
Dude,
Pretty
this
small, to
is
be
on
honest.
YouTube, bro.
I hate
small,
how
to
you
be
can do
honest.
that voice so perfectly.
Yeah,
What?
this is representing yours.
Dude, every time I look up, frames just die.
Hey there, little
Dude,
boy.
this is
Yeah,
on
piece of
YouTube, bro. You can't be making.
Oh, my speed's gone. I just realized this.
Yeah, because you've been lagging out.
Dude, I
Oh.
want to play. I really want it to come out this month. Into the radius. You know how much
It
it's
is,
gonna
it
Can
be?
this
someone
month.
pass me another bag?
It does.
Oh
shit.
god.
Yeah, September.
Oh. Do you know how much it's gonna be?
They said like $15 to $30.
Huh.
Which, you know, it's
How
a
much
large
left?
range, but you know. Saints and
That-
Sinners was 25.
This is
That's fucking
700.
underselling, if I'm being honest.
No.
This is a
Saints and Sinners
700.
was it 25 or
my
30?
God.
If it's multiplayer, you want to play together?
Absolutely. I would love to do a multiplayer campaign. But it's not multiplayer on PC VR, so I doubt it.
Fuck PCVR. They can suck my dick.
Hey yo, this is
Yeah,
on
better
YouTube.
graphics
I
doesn't
don't
mean
edit.
you mean, bro.
If it is multiplayer, which I'm praying it is, I would happily play it with you.
I am fucking down.
Saints and Sinners 2 is gonna have a multiplayer
They're
mode.
coming out the second one? God damn.
Yes, it's coming out this month as well. Or no, next month. This month or next month on Quest. It's already out on PlayStation VR.
Oh, you know what? I have PlayStation. I fucking didn't even know. No,
You want
no,
some
and I have
Bobax?
PlayStation.
What?
You have PlayStation VR?
You want some Bobax?
I don't have PlayStation
Yeah, I
VR,
want some
but I'm
Bobax.
pretty sure there's a way to hook up your Oculus to it.
There's not. You have to have the actual.
Hey,
you
who
have to
here
like
has some
download the
Bobax?
OS on. You have to download the OS on your Oculus.
Who here has some Bobucks for Link? He's suffering out
Link,
here.
don't
with
you have
zero
your own
Bobucks.
daddy to give you Robux?
Come on, Link.
I don't have a dad.
You should know this stuff by now.
Like
Have a sugar daddy who
or
buys
something.
you just Robux, and then have one that buys
Oh
you
my
Starbucks
god, I
every
just
other
realized our
Saturday.
progress.
Yeah,
I'm
we're like
at?
400 in.
Jesus Christ.
Or no,
Not
like,
even.
like 600 in.
Not even. Last time I saw
Yeah.
your pouch, it was up to like 300.
I got
Last time we
270,
did
and there's
700.
100 here. Everybody's got a half-empty pouch, so I'm pretty sure we have about 600 down.
No, 700.
Is it actually gonna be $15 to $30?
Yeah, that's what they said.
Dude, I have $25 sitting up in my room right now because I've just been saving up my money to buy this.
I have
game.
$300 sitting up in my room.
You fucking.
I
bitch
have
ass
0.
Poor ass bitch.
The duality of man.
I love how as soon as I look up, he's just like, fucking, you know that Aaron Yeager meme? With him just going, just think.
Yeah.
That's what he looks like. When I looked up, it was dumb as hell.
Why does my hand's like violently shaking every time I go to pick up a firewood?
No.
It's
Oh my
telling
god,
me
I've
not
had
to
a
do it.
gigantic lag spike.
It's praying me to stop.
What?
I
what
would
if
be
just-
surprised if my Oculus
What
doesn't
if I
go
just
nuclear
light
after
one of
this.
these off?
I want to get out of the frame, then I want to come back in and see how laggy it is.
Finally crashed.
No.
Oh no, there he is. Did you crash or did you just sprint
No.
away at Mach 7?
I wanted to see how much frames I would get from going chunk to chunk.
How
many
much you
was
get? All of them back?
I don't know.
Dude, wait, hold on, wait, watch me throw this. Oh, I'm sure it's slow for you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
I was like,
moving
that
at,
was way
Mach
too fast.
2. It's like it's moving at negative Mach 100 right now. Question.
Bro, it
Am
keeps
I?
giving him an upside down.
Have you
I
seen
just
that
got
Russian
my
Badger
first
video
lag spike.
of like World of Warcraft or whatever the fuck it was? I don't remember. I think it was like World of
Dude, I'm
Tanks or
sitting
something.
down like those puppies do.
I
like,
should
right
not
after
have
they-
my
right
bag
after
on
they learn how to
around
stand
these
and fall over.
dynamites. I just realized.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Why did you
free
just
bag. Thanks,
straight in
man.
my face?
Don't.
I love how he just
It
slowly
literally
crawls
has
towards
lanterns on
I
it.
slowly crawl. I'm not stealing your bag. I would immediately.
and then you
do
slowly
that.
go.
Oh, my bag. Sick.
Oh my god.
Like a surfer
Oops, I
dolphin.
dropped my bag.
Sick, dude.
Yo.
Yo, free bag, bro. Sick. Yeah. The baby.
We're talking about surfer dolphins. If you're not included, yeah, you get triple our pet.
Hey, wanna know something?
How much
Huh.
you wanna bet?
You two watch anime, right?
Selectively.
kind of.
Why?
He's the only one here that doesn't watch anime.
Nah.
Average just turns to him.
Does
Link,
it
you watch
matter?
Anime? Not really.
I feel like all
I don't really care.
Australians don't watch anime, if I'm being honest.
I feel like Australians aren't real. Link, are you real?
I'm offended.
Yeah, no, he's not real. He didn't even say yes. A real person
You're
would
banned
say yes. Are
for
you
offending the
Australian?
owner.
What's the
You're
Australian
banned for
flag?
saying a racial slur?
The
but no one
Australian
really
flag
gives a fuck?
is the what's the Southern Cross and
many
the
fireworks?
Union Jack.
32? Holy
No.
shit.
Wait, what? No, I said, what's the anthem? Not the
Oh,
flag.
32
yeah,
left?
but
there's,
How do you
Yeah,
not
no,
remember
you're just
your own
making up.
anthem?
You're just making up random noises. That's
No,
not a real
I'm
thing.
not.
Yeah, no, not a real thing.
You could search up the Australian anthem.
Yeah, no, but people have
Australian anthem
gaslighting.
screaming N-word.
Ne-
They're gaslighting you. You're not real. You're not real, Link.
Dude,
I'm offended.
Okay,
You're getting
I
banned.
played a game on SideQuest that is like close enough to
Okay, wait, hold on, Dean.
into the
When,
radius.
okay, we were like up at the shop, and some dude hit him twice and called him stupid, and he immediately banned him. He's like, stupid.
Did you
And then I'm the
actually?
owner, and then he disappeared.
I
It
am
was at the
God.
blacksmith, wasn't it?
Be gone, thought.
No.
Yeah, I
Totally
have no
not
recollection.
kissing everyone.
Oh my god, we're almost done.
Yeah,
Are we now?
Look at his
I've
bag.
only got a few hundred. My bag's got 12 in it. I'm not loaded anymore.
You think?
Okay,
I
I'm
think
gonna
you
light
can't do
the
something.
dynamite, then immediately log out so that my
No, don't.
Oculus doesn't. Okay, fine.
Let it go nuclear.
Don't light it
Nuclear?
Yes.
until I teleport everyone.
Yeah, let everybody's Oculus go nuclear.
Okay,
You
will
gotta
this actually
teleport
break
everybody
my
as I
Oculus?
light the fireworks, so it just, or as I light the TNT, so they just spawn in
Will this
I have no
actually
idea.
break
and,
my
and
Oculus?
break.
100.
Most likely, yes.
If you're lucky, it won't. But that's like a 0.1% chance, so don't count on it.
I'm counting on it.
Will I burn my face?
Yes.
You're gonna look like
You
fucking
can't.
the Joker
like,
henchman
genuinely
half and half,
can't
or whatever
burn
the
your
fuck his
face.
name was.
Sadly.
Off
So this
face.
is
You're gonna look like
actually
Amber
gonna
Heard.
break my Oculus.
You can
Probably.
burn your eyes out, but that's like if you stare at it for 3.5 days. So don't.
Yeah,
don't
exactly. It's gonna go nuclear.
Do that. It's gonna glue it to his face for 3.5 days.
Oh no, am I? Dude,
Then
the
again, you can
Oculus
just
right now.
close your eyes.
Question:
It's not really.
Am I immortal?
The worst,
No.
the worst threat of the Oculus is just
Township
becoming a
Tales.
neckbeard. No, it's becoming a neckbeard. the #1 danger. Are we all out of fireworks? Is this it?
No, there's
No,
one
there's
more.
30
more
left
bag.
on the table.
Yeah, I'm just gonna start backing up now. Hey,
He's gonna teleport
can I-
everybody in here.
can I get speed 15, please?
No.
Nope. Set
Can I
his
get
speed to 0
speed?
so he can't run.
Oh, God.
You
Good
can still,
idea.
You can still teleport with that.
I will literally block you and leave this game, never come back.
Go ahead,
Hey,
bitch.
we have 500 other members. That's what the entire celebration is about.
There's 30 left on there.
I've got 4 left in my bag.
I am.
Oh, there goes that pouch.
Hey, teleport him in here.
No.
Don't you dare.
Everybody.
He's just slowly crawling away, I think.
You good?
No.
Bet.
Know that.
Dollars. In health.
I'm gonna charge Township Tales $1 billion if they kill me.
In nuclear fees.
In becoming nuclear.
Yeah, teleport that man
Last.
over here. Don't give him a
Last
choice.
14. Set everybody's speed to 0.
Don't do that because I still need the
So they
PlayStation
can't
throw the
fucking
dynamite.
Yeah,
I'm not-
afterwards.
Put him
I-
dead
I'm-
center in the middle
I'm
of the
I'm gonna
fireworks.
place the last dynamite. Okay?
Okay.
Not dynamite,
And then
this.
you're gonna
Firework?
say you did all the work.
Mhm.
You're gonna
You guys
time
are-
lapse it in his perspective.
I'm gonna make you
Not sending you
admin,
my footage.
and you're already coroner, so I don't know what to do with you.
Oh, I'm an admin.
Mhm.
Let's go.
Okay.
Oh my god.
You
Last
move at a
one.
very
Oh, that's
confusing
disgusting.
pace,
You guys come here.
but it's
you guys-
also beautiful in its own way.
We should have added like a little middle part so it looked like a titty. Wait, teleport everyone.
There's a whole chunk that's not even in yet.
Welcome.
Maybe I was,
Ow!
I was trying to
You
kill him.
stabbed me.
What do you mean?
Alright,
You said we
then.
were the only purple.
Link, you
You
all
said we
right?
were the
I
only
swear to
people on the
God,
server.
word.
Here, can I
Welcome,
block you with the
boys.
longsword?
There's
Wait,
the celebration.
Link,
Look
Link,
at
come
it.
here, let me block you with the
Everyone
longsword.
stay still. You guys back up. Your VR's gonna break.
Hold on.
Link,
Link,
everybody back up.
What
Get
you
back,
wanna do?
everybody get back.
a million.
Yeah, take that.
That's a
It's
Right,
1,000.
1,000.
It's
We spent
1,000.
like a good
Light up.
7 minutes.
Well, hold on. Before we do this, I'd like to say
Come
a
on.
few words. Can everybody just
Too
join
bad,
in?
let's go!
Oh god, it's gonna go nuclear.
Holy crap.
Everybody look up. Oh no! Dude, he walked up to it and grabbed the firework and he was just immediately engulfed.
Hey,
This
I had
is
something
sick.
break.
I love
My
Oh my
this.
headset did
God.
break.
Can we all make one that's bigger
That
than
was
that?
funny.
Could we all make one
point
that's
was
bigger
to-
all together? Because it would be way
I want
faster.
a high five. I get a high five.
Can you play TPS back?
Oh my
Because, like,
god.
No,
Dude,
you
the
can't do
graphics
that
are so
yourself.
good now.
Can you
Please
Dean,
hold on.
dude,
Don't
better.
kill me. Dean, can I
Can
get
we
a
make
high
a-
five?
Hold on. Try to
we
throw
make
something.
one
Try to throw
together?
something.
No, please.
one
please.
big one?
Please, I'm an admin helper. I
Hey,
can be
please.
here.
Why are you
Oh my god, it's so
killing
smooth.
me? I'm trying to help.
I know, dude.
Dude, hold on.
We
look at
we
this.
just
Look at me
finished
throw
it.
something.
Please
This
don't
was
kill me.
sick. This
Dean,
is
look at me.
going
throw
on
this. Here.
YouTube.
We
Oh
should
my
make
God, that was so
we
funny,
should
dude.
make
I was
one.
laughing